The Samsung 65-inch Class Neo takes movie nights from okay to unforgettable. Imagine a screen that brings your favorite characters to life in stunning color, making you feel like you're right there with them. Let's start with how the Quantum Mini LED technology transforms the picture quality. The result? More vibrant colors that pop off the screen, and I mean it, pop. Dark scenes are now clearer, revealing every detail, while bright scenes become dazzling, making even the most intense moments feel more real than ever before. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to display 100% color volume with quantum dot. Think of it like having a paint palette that includes every single beautiful shade of color imaginable. The nano-sized dots can show you almost every hue at any brightness level, so you'll never miss out on the subtle nuances in your favorite shows or movies. Now, let's talk about the brains behind this operation, the NQ4 AI processor. This powerhouse of a processor ensures that your content looks stunning in 4K resolution, no matter where it comes from. Plus, with its advanced AI capabilities, you'll get the most out of what you're watching. Think enhanced color-boosted picture and audio quality tailored to each type of content. But here's the thing, this TV isn't just about processing power. It also has 4K upscaling, which is like having a superpower that lets you upgrade any old show or movie into crystal clear clarity. You'll feel like you're watching it for the first time all over again. And that's no small feat. And then there's Color Booster Pro, which takes every scene to new heights of vibrancy and richness. With AI transforming hues in real time, you'll be transported to a world of dynamic, lifelike visuals that will leave you breathless. Now, I know what you're thinking. What makes this TV so special? It all starts with the Quantum Mini LED technology paired with quantum dot. This combo unlocks captivating contrast with dazzling highlights, while advanced AI processing dynamically adjusts how your content looks and sounds to augment what you're watching. Whether it's a thrilling live soccer match or your favorite old movie, the end result is an immersive viewing experience that will keep you hooked from start to finish. And the best part? You can have this amazing TV for yourself, with the lowest prices guaranteed at the link below.